Let's hook this Jiaoxiangfeng armpit bag together today. There are only two basic needles, long needles and short needles. We'll choose this characteristic thread with 3.5 millimeters crochet. First, lock the needle and start the needle. Tie a slip knot. Then hook the 6-spin braided needle. There is a thread behind the penultimate needle pick. Sa toi ama. Hook a short needle. This is the first short needle, marked with a new clasp. Every stitch in the back is a pick. A short needle is hooked on each shirt. Face down like this. Side injection. Complete a row, a total of 5 short needles. Take the marker buckle to mark the last stitch. Hook a stitch braid stitch. Flip the fabric. Start the first short stitch at the marking buckle. Novice mark first stitch. Hook for short needles to the back. This is the last stitch. This row is also a total of 5 short needles. The novice takes the marked buckle every time. Mark the first and last stitches. Hook a needle braided needle. Flip the fabric. Same method. Each needle is hooked with a short needle. The next step is to repeat the method. A total of 29 rows were crocheted. Let's count now. Thread on the right. Find a position like a dotted line like this. Top and bottom rows. 1 row of dotted lines represents 2 rows of crochet. This is the dotted line in row 14. Above is row 29. Hook a needle braided needle. Flip the fabric. First, hook a short needle on the first needle, marked with a marker buckle. Hook a short needle on each of the 3 needles in the back. Hook 3 short stitches on the last stitch. This is the corner. Then go this way. Each row is hooked with a short needle. On the edge of each row, hook a short needle on each needle. So it goes all the way to the left. Next, pick the braided needle and crochet the 2 threads on the front. Hook 3 short stitches on the first stitch. Three stitches here. That's the corner. Pick the braided needle back. 2 wires on the front hook short stitches. It's not easy to enter the needle here. Be patient. Hook 3 short stitches here on the first stitch. This is a corner. Next, every row here, hook a short needle. Finally, hook 2 short needles in this hole. Take the marker buckle to mark the last stitch. Pull the connection at the pink marker buckle. Hook 2 stitches braided needle. Crochet winding. Penetrate the first needle. Pull the line out. Crochet winding. Pull the first 2 coils. Rewinding. Pull the back 2 coils. This is how to hook a long needle. Take the marker buckle and mark the first stitch. Next, hook a long needle on each stitch. There's also a long needle hooked on each one around the corner. Flip the edge down like this as you hook. So repeat. Complete the lap. Finish the last stitch. Remove the mark and buckle it on the last stitch. Pull the connection on the first pin. Complete a lap. Hook 2 stitches of braided stitches to start the second circle. In this circle, there is also a long needle hooked on each needle. Beginners mark every lap, the first and last stitches. Every subsequent lap is unabated. Each stitch is hooked with a long needle. Each turn must be connected to the first pin pull. Wrap and crochet like this for 9 loops. Complete. Hook a needle braided needle. Disconnect. Fold the bag in half like this. Find the middle stitch. 7 stitches to the right. Repeat this row of short needles, a row of long needles, row of short needles. Start with the second stitch. On each needle in the back, hook a long needle. Hook to the 15th stitch. 3-pin braided needle as the first long needle. Flip the fabric. Start with the second stitch. Hook a long needle on each needle. Finally, hook a long needle on the braided needle. Then repeat the method of this row here. 2 more rows. There are 4 rows crocheted in total here. Hook to pin braided needle. Flip the fabric. Hook a long needle on the second needle. Hook 5 long needles to the back. Complete for stitches. Hook a needle braided needle. Pin 8 does not tick. Start from the 9th stitch and hook 5 long stitches. A long needle here does not hook. Hook to pin braided needle. Pull on the last circle of braided needles. Hook a needle braided needle. Disconnect. Introduce the thread into the fabric. This thread is also introduced into the fabric. Next, install the accessories section. Fix the buttons in the second row. Two stitches in the center. Pull the rope in separately. Just tie the rope inside. Folding the sides in like this. Buckle up the opening ring and fix it. Same method on the other side. Finally, hang up the bag strap. Learned. Let's hook together.